Hello friends, I am Das from the channel Viewpoint 60. I am traveling from Bangalore International Airport. From this airport to Washington DC, USA, there are no direct flights to Washington DC from here. First, I have to travel to London Heathrow Airport, which takes around 10 hours and 45 minutes. After a 3.5 hour layover, the connecting flight takes another 8.5 hours to reach Washington DC. In today's episode, I'll explain the entire process from entering the airport until boarding an international flight. So please watch this episode till the end. Put our luggage on a trolley and enter the terminal. This airport is so grand that it is no less than a palace. It looks absolutely beautiful. It was inaugurated by our Prime Minister on November 11, 2022 and became operational in 2023. It is considered one of the most beautiful airports in the world. First comes the security check. You need to show your passport and air ticket to enter. Bengaluru is known as the Garden City, and true to its name, the airport is filled with greenery and many plants. Not only that, bamboo is the central theme of this airport. Much of the airport design uses specially processed bamboo materials. As soon as you enter the airport, you will see counters for different airlines. For example, I was flying with Virgin Atlantic, so I had to locate that counter. Airlines like Qatar Airways, Lufthansa, Emirates and many others have their counters there. You need to go to your airline counter, complete the check-in process, submit your luggage and collect your boarding pass. If you don't have check-in luggage, you can get your boarding pass online or use the self-check-in machines at the airport. I didn't use online check-in, so I completed the process at the counter. I gave my passport and ticket, and they issued my boarding pass with my seat number. You need to place your luggage on the belt. If the weight exceeds the allowed limit, you may have to pay extra charges. So it's always better to check your luggage weight before leaving home. Once the luggage weight is approved, it goes through the belt system and is loaded onto the aircraft. We receive it only at our final destination, Washington DC.
After this, we have to go for immigration, right?
Yes, sir. The international departure, and then you have to clear the immigration.
Immigration. You have to go like thank you.
Next comes immigration. Follow the signs for international departure. You'll see people standing in lines at the immigration counters. Stand in any queue and show your passport and boarding pass. They scan your eyes and complete the process. In my case, they didn't ask many questions. After immigration comes the security check. You must place electronic items, chargers, wallets, and even your belt in the tray for scanning. Once all checks are completed, proceed toward the boarding gates. Since we arrived early, there were not many people, so immigration was completed quickly. Next comes the duty-free area where you can buy premium products and branded items tax-free. However, there are limits on how much you can carry.
You pay for it actually. Sorry? You have to pay for it, huh? It's free.
The departure board shows which gate your flight will depart from. Our London flight gate number was displayed there. Now the only thing left was to go to the gate and wait. Once boarding started, we showed our boarding pass and entered. Since we had arrived early, we still had plenty of time, so we explored the airport. Look at that tree, it's a real tree. The airport also has moving walkways. You can simply stand on them, though some people prefer walking on them too. We still had time, so we decided to have coffee. One cappuccino cost Rs 300 and my wife bought a bread snack that cost around Rs 500. Well, airport prices. Throughout the airport, there are comfortable seating areas where you can charge your phone and relax. Now we are waiting in the lounge. Look at the wide runway and all the aircraft lined up. There is our Virgin Atlantic aircraft. Boarding started, we showed our boarding passes, entered the aircraft, and finally took our seats.